Giant cuckoo clock. The Alpine Apple Restaurant in Wilmouth, Ohio, commissioned clockmaker Carl, your guess is as good as mine on his last name, to build the world's largest cuckoo clock in 1963. 12 years and $50,000 later, the enormous clock was finished. It was featured in the cover of the Guinness Book of World Records in 1978. Here you go. The world's largest cuckoo clock. Most excellent. So I'm in Sugar Creek, Ohio. Just walking down the road just to see what all they have here while I try to wait out the cuckoo clock. Bakery and coffee. Occasionally. Love it. Collectors, decanters, and steins. For years I've was searching for these things, and had a whole store up here with them. Probably picked up one at Ogilvy Park. Naturally, the store would be closed. Would love to go into Hangar 81. Man, this would be a cool store to go into. I get banks, and I wasn't going to do a bank, but man, that is a cool thing there. Wow. This is an automotive place, and I just saw someone drive in. You have the gospel shop, and these are just all along the street beside cuckoo clock. Albert advertising. And yes, that is the same mascot that I had when I was in high school. Fabrics, quilts, crafts, notions, apparel, gifts, and toys.